are here because we are people who are defending Medicare, public health care in this country, and we are here to tell the premiers that they mustn't be puppets, that they have to stand with the Canadian people, the 96% of us from all political parties who want health care to remain public and accessible to all for all time. Now let me tell you clearly what we're up against. Stephen Harper is on record for many, many, many years as being opposed to public health care. He's pro-privatization. But he could not attack it frontally because the Canadian people, even his people who vote Conservative, are so opposed to it. So he's dumping the issue on the provinces. He's going to take $31 billion out of transfer payments to the provinces. And that's going to force a mishmash of some private, some public services where provinces cannot no longer afford to maintain the public system. And then he's bringing in this comprehensive economic and trade agreement with Europe, which will have a discipline over the province. So anything that is now commercial, like doctors, like any kind of commercial clinics, like even healthcare, all of this is going to be privatized. This is a road to privatize Canada's healthcare by the back door. It's dishonest. We call him out on it. We know what he's doing. Stephen Harper is trying to destroy Medicare, and it's our job to tell the Canadian people. And it is the job of the premiers not to acquiesce to this, to say, no, get back to the table. This is your job, and we will not put up with it.
Right. Two, four, six, eight. Cut the crap, negotiate. 2, 4, 6, 8. Cut the crap, negotiate.
Woo! Next up, I'd like to ask Brother Paul Moyse, the National President of the Canadian Union of Public Employees, to come up.
Okay, sisters and brothers, thank you for gathering here in the great city of Halifax. We want to speak a wide variety of Canadians with one voice. Medicare was built with a struggle, and we're not giving up the fight to keep Medicare public in Canada. Let me also say that last December, Mr. Harper sent his finance minister to Victoria. He tabled the first and final offer from Harper for the healthcare accord. It will take federal funding down to 20 cents of every healthcare dollar. A generation ago, 50 cents of every healthcare dollar came from the feds. We have one message for Canada's premiers and territorial leaders. Stand together and you'll have our support. Stand up for Medicare. Stand up to Stephen Harper. Lastly, I say to the doctors, the students, the seniors, the wide range of folks here today, thank you for your commitment to Medicare. Our parents' generation fought for Medicare. It's worth fighting for. And our last word should be to Stephen Harper. As Maude says, he doesn't believe in Medicare. He's silent on Medicare. I join the premiers in saying it's long overdue that the Prime Minister of Canada sat down with the premiers, not to tear down Medicare, but to build up Medicare for all.